In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your LinkedIn username, also called your LinkedIn ID, in just a few quick steps. This is super useful if you need to share your profile, connect it to a website, add it to a resume, or simply copy the exact link to your LinkedIn account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your LinkedIn account in your browser. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look at the top of the screen and click the Me icon. This is the menu that contains your personal profile options. After you click Me, select View Profile. That will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page. Now here's the important part. Look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Your LinkedIn username is the last part of the URL. For example, if your profile link says linkedin.com/in/username, then username is your LinkedIn ID. That final section is what people use to identify your profile link and share it with others. If you want, you can click in the address bar, highlight the full URL, and copy it for later use. This is the easiest way to find your LinkedIn username without needing any extra tools or settings. Just remember that your LinkedIn ID is not usually found inside the profile page itself. It's right there in the web address after /in. If you ever change your public profile URL, the username part may also change, so it's always a good idea to double-check the link before sending it out. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID in seconds. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.